Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for maintaining a clean and happy home. Today we're diving into a topic that many pet owners struggle with: keeping your sofa clean when you have furry friends around. If you have pets, you know how challenging it can be to keep your sofa clean. Pet hair, accidents and general wear and tear can make your sofa look less than its best. But don't worry, because today I've got some great tips for you that will help you maintain a spotless and fresh smelling sofa, no matter how many pets you have. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about one of the most common issues: pet fur. Pet fur can get everywhere, and it can be particularly tricky to remove from fabric. But don't worry, there are some effective tools and techniques you can use. A lint roller or a vacuum with a pet hair attachment works wonders. These tools are designed to pick up even the finest hairs, making your cleaning job much easier. Make sure to go over the entire surface of the sofa, including the cushions and crevices, to get all the fur. For stubborn fur that just won't budge, try using a damp rubber glove to rub over the fabric. This method is surprisingly effective. The fur will stick to the glove, making it easy to remove. Simply rinse the glove off when it gets full and continue until your sofa is fur-free. Now, let's move on to pet accidents. Accidents happen, and when they do, it's important to act quickly to prevent stains and odors from setting in. If your pet has an accident on the sofa, it's important to act quickly. The faster you respond, the better your chances of completely removing the stain and odor. Start by blotting the area with paper towels to absorb as much liquid as possible. Be sure to press firmly but gently to avoid pushing the liquid deeper into the fabric. Then mix a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water. This natural cleaner is great for neutralizing odors and breaking down stains. Spray it on the affected area and blot again. Repeat this process until the stain is gone. For stubborn stains, sprinkle baking soda over the area and let it sit for a few hours before vacuuming it up. Baking soda is excellent for absorbing odors and lifting stains. This will help neutralize any odors as well, leaving your sofa smelling fresh and clean. Finally, always make sure to check the cleaning instructions for your sofa's fabric. Different materials require different care, and following the manufacturer's guidelines will help you avoid damaging your sofa. Some materials may require special care, such as dry cleaning or specific cleaning solutions. Always test any cleaning product on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it won't damage the fabric. And there you have it. With these tips, you can keep your sofa looking and smelling fresh, even with pets around. Remember, a little regular maintenance goes a long way. By staying on top of pet hair and accidents, you can enjoy a clean and comfortable sofa for years to come. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow pet owners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. See you next time. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best home hacks and tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about. Do you ever look at your sofa and think, wow, this really needs a deep clean? Maybe you've noticed some stains, or it's just looking a bit dull and lifeless. Well, you're not alone. Sofas can accumulate a lot of dirt, dust and grime over time, especially if you have kids or pets. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you some ultimate sofa cleaning hacks that will make your sofa look brand new. We'll go through everything step by step, from the products you need to the techniques that work best. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about safe products. It's important to use cleaning products that are safe for your sofa's fabric to avoid any damage. I always use a mild dish soap mixed with warm water for a gentle clean. This solution is effective for most fabrics and is gentle enough to use regularly. If you have a fabric sofa, a fabric cleaner like Folex can work wonders. It's specially formulated to tackle tough stains without harming the fabric. Remember, always test the product on a small hidden area first to ensure it doesn't damage the fabric. This step is crucial to avoid any unwanted surprises. Now, onto the tools. Having the right tools can make a huge difference in how effectively you can clean your sofa. A good vacuum with an upholstery attachment is your best friend. It helps to remove all the loose dirt and crumbs that can get embedded in the fabric. Use it to remove all the loose dirt and crumbs. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies, especially between the cushions. For stains, a soft bristled brush will help you gently scrub without damaging the fabric. This is especially useful for those stubborn spots that just won't budge. Have you heard of steam cleaners? These gadgets are fantastic for deep cleaning and sanitizing your sofa. Steam cleaners use high temperature steam to break down dirt and kill bacteria. leaving your sofa not only clean but also sanitized. Just make sure your sofa's fabric is steam safe. Always check the manufacturer's label or guidelines before using a steam cleaner. Okay, let's break it down into steps. Following a systematic approach will ensure you don't miss any spots and get the best results. First, vacuum the entire sofa, including crevices and cushions. This will remove all the loose dirt and prepare the surface for deeper cleaning. Next, mix your cleaning solution. Remember, mild dish soap and warm water. This solution is gentle yet effective for most types of fabric. Gently scrub any stains with a soft brush. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the fabric. For a deep clean, use a steam cleaner if your fabric allows. This will help to remove any deep-seated dirt and bacteria. Finally, let it air dry completely. Open the windows or use a fan to speed up the drying process. And there you have it. A sparkling clean sofa that looks like new. You'll be amazed at the difference a good clean can make. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. I hope these tips help you keep your sofa looking its best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning tips. We have plenty more hacks and tips coming your way, so stay tuned.